There's a saying that goes, if you're not regulating, you're getting regulated, which means if you don't, won't, or can't take control, someone will take control of you. This course is for the people who want to regulate. This course teaches you the basics on how to set up, build, and market your very own video course. Imagine creating a course that you have some knowledge in. It could be in dating, weight loss, personal productivity, getting out of debt, photography, travel, gaming, fishing, how to be nice to people, whatever. There are literally millions of topics that you can choose from. Now imagine you selling your course and creating a passive income stream for yourself for years to come. This course gives you a guide on how to create something just like that. So, regulators, mount up and let's get to work. We will see you on the inside.